In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section here called Privacy. Then you need to scroll again, this time to click on this section called App Permissions. And finally pick one of those features to manage it. So, for example, let's tap on Calendar and select an app under Allowed or Not Allowed, like Instagram from Not Allowed one. From here it's quite simple. Just select one of those options to apply the best one, allow or don't allow, and go back to check out your changes. If you want to, you can also just tap on an app you are interested in and select tiny text instead, select See All Permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!